is NYC is Dead, the podcast, the video.
You know, real New Yorkers know that when a bunch of teenagers get onto your subway and yell,
Showtime!
It's time to talk about Billion. No, I'm joking. They're subway dancers.
Some people love them and some people are from Long Island. Either way, they're a fabric of this city, okay? Like dollar slices and Times Square Elmos, they're what makes New York City, New York City. Without them, we're just Newark, New Jersey with more buildings. Coronavirus changed dancing for the entire subway performance industry, so we made up our own. Check out some of our dance moves. The social distance.
The hand sanitizer.
The I forgot my mask. The wipe down.
The subway rat.
The Mets meltdown.